Guys, news coming in with regards to passport submission in India at the VFS Global Centers. So, if you have received a passport request and are waiting to submit your passport for stamping, then this is the video you must be watching till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Ontario, Brampton. My office is there and right now I'm traveling to India for this short trip. So if you have to get in touch with me, please send me a WhatsApp on the number on the screen, or if you have to get in touch with me through a regular phone call, please drop in a line at the Indian number that's on the screen. Guys, for those who are seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are a Canadian immigration aspirant, then this is the channel that you must be watching. Guys, so let's just quickly get on to the topic of the day, which is with regards to the passport submission slash visa stamping, which is a step towards the final visa that gets stamped on your passport. So what really happens is, when you submit your visa application or a PR application, usually the last step when you're outside Canada is when you send in your passport for visa stamping, and the VFS submits it, gives it back to you where the passport is stamped. But due to COVID-19, this whole process had been stalled for a couple of weeks or a month, and then the VFS restarted this service with a two-way courier pickup and a drop. Okay, so what really happened was, the whole procedure is very simple, that whenever you get an original passport request, you actually proceed to the VFS website in the passport submission web form. You submit a web form, and within 72 working hours, the VFS will send you a payment link. When you make the required payments within 48 hours, the VFS will update you with the pickup details through Blue Dart Courier or anything. The VFS will provide you those details when you're in India. But due to COVID-19, once again, all of this was being bulked up, and a lot of passport requests had started coming in, which is again a good news, because IRCC has started processing, has been giving a lot of decisions on the application submitted, which ultimately leads to passport stamping as the last step usually. So with this regards, a lot of people must have submitted the web form request at VFS, and then VFS came out with a notification through their official Twitter channel, through their Twitter update, that they are facing a lot of delays in this particular process. A lot of people who have submitted, the VFS centers are apparently short staffed and a lot of queries have bulked up. So they are processing them, but people and applicants can expect a delay of a couple of more days. There is no need to panic, no need to worry, but VFS will take their due diligence and their due time to make sure that the process goes smoothly with this two-way courier service. So whenever you make the payments, the two-way courier service will be presented to you through that email. All the information will be there and you will be able to follow the steps there. Guys, I hope the information was helpful. You can always reach out to us for any immigration visa related queries. My number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to drop in a message or give us a call, and we would be more than happy to speak to you. Once again, guys, I wish the information was helpful, and I hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.